Now I'm talking about type of cell junctions. There are four main types of cell junctions. Occluding junction, that is zonula occludens or tight junctions. Adhering junctions, that is zonula adherens, and desmosomes, that is macula adherens. They are also hemidesmosomes that lie on the basal membrane to help stick the cell to underlying basal lamina. Gap junctions, these are communicating junctions. Tight junctions seals neighboring cells together in an epithelial sheet to prevent leakage of molecule between them, while adhesion junction joins an action bundle in one cell to a similar bundle in a neighboring cell. Desmosomes joins the intermediate filaments in one cell to those in a neighbor, and gap junction allow the passage of small water soluble ions and molecules, while hemidesmosome anchors intermediate filaments in a cell to the basal lamina. What type of cell junction are tight junctions? Tight junction, that is blue dots between cells, are connected area of the plasma membrane that stitches cell together. Adherence junction, that is red dot, join the actin filament of neighboring cell together. Desmosomes are even stronger connection that join the intermediate filament of the neighboring cell. So what is the example of tight junction? Tight epithelia have tight junction that prevent most movement between cells. Example of tight epithelia include the distal convoluted tubule DCT जो नेफ्रॉन में मिलती है, collecting duct of nephron in the kidney, and the bile duct ramifying through liver tissue. In cell adhering junctions, cells subject to abrasion or other mechanical stress such as those of the surface epithelia of the skin have junction that adhere cell to one another and to the extracellular matrix. These adhering junctions are called desmosome when occurring between cells and hemidesmosomes. What is the function of adhering junction? Adherence junction initiates cell-cell contact and mediate the maturation and maintenance of the contact. Adherence junction consists of transmembrane protein E-cadherin and intracellular component P120 catin, beta catin and alpha catin. Now I am talking about gap junctions. Gap junctions are specialized intracellular connection between a multitude of animal cell type. They directly connect the cytoplasm of two cells, which allow various molecules, ions and electrical impulse to directly pass through a regulfate gate between cells. और फंक्शन की बात करें अगर हम गैप जंक्शन के, तो गैप जंक्शन आर एग्रीगेट और ग्रुप ऑफ intercellular channels that permit direct cell-to-cell transfer of ions and small molecules, initially described as low-resistance ion pathway joining excitable cells, that is nerve and muscle. Gap junction are found joining virtually all cell in solid tissues. तो इसके डिफरेंस को भी आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं.